Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix unexpected error occurred on Facebook. Once you fix unexpected error occurred on Facebook app, there are several ways how to fix it. Just follow these steps. First of all, go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if there's an update available for Facebook app. As you can see, there is an update available for me, so click on Update and your app should be updated. If the issue isn't fixed after updating your app, then proceed to your phone's settings. Then scroll down and click on Apps. Now click on Apps one more time again. Search for Facebook app. Click on Uninstall to uninstall Facebook app and download it again from the App Store. This should fix the problem. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to fix unexpected error occurred on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.